Hi, everyone. I'm Nicole Hemrick, and I'm the managing partner at Hemrick O'Malley, PLLC. Today, I want to talk about a very disappointing and unacceptable thing that has been going on with USCIS. That is, they are erroneously rejecting a lot of petitions and applications because they can't understand their own fee schedule. If you look up Form G1055 fee schedule, you will see a very long document. It is 45 pages long and breaks down the fees on all different types of cases. Now, USCIS has, in certain instances, for the same exact type of form, created numerous different fee structures. This depends on exactly what visa type is being requested, how many employees the petitioner has, and is it for-profit or nonprofit. Unfortunately, the mailroom can't seem to get straight its own fees. So this has very severe implications, especially if you're filing right before somebody's status is about to expire. An erroneous rejection could have life-altering effects. I'm going to give you one example. I am sharing with you here my screen, which shows the Form I-129. Now, the Form I-129 deals with a lot of different types of visas. We have E's, TNs, H3s, O's, P's, Q's, R's, H2s, H1Bs, and you'll see here, let's look at the H1B. There's a different price if it's paper filing, if it's online filing, if it's a larger employer or a small employer or nonprofit. Then you come down to this extra asylum program fee where employers are being required to compensate the government for the free asylum program, which I do agree with there being a free asylum program, but still, passing it off to employers doesn't seem like the correct approach. You'll see here, $600 for some employers, and then for small employers, it's $300. For nonprofits, it's $0. Now, that's not the end of the story. As I said, these prices also vary by case type. So if you're sending it in for an H-2B, look, the price might be $1,080, it might be $540, and so on and so forth. So this is just to demonstrate that USCIS has made this way too complicated, and it's creating major issues. I've seen this across the board. I've seen a lot of friends and colleagues in the field complaining about this, reporting erroneous rejections. We've seen some of this. Luckily, it's for people that weren't about to expire on their status, so we're able to correct it. But it is a major problem. So USCIS, please do better. And in the meantime, for those of you filing these applications, here's what we're doing now to get these cases through, and it has been effective. On your cover page, write exactly what visa type you're applying for. Write, is it a small employer, right? Is it a nonprofit? Or if there's more than a certain amount of employees. And tell USCIS what the filing fee is that you were supposed to have for that. I've also actually started printing out this sheet that I showed you and circling the fees that apply to this particular client. Make it obnoxious, make it bold, write it as many times as you have to write, because we don't want people losing benefits or wasting time and money by sending these cases back and forth. If you have questions about this or any other immigration question, feel free to call us at 833-848-7838 or check us out online at www.hemrick.law.